In this video, we will add update article model and we will integrate editor CKEditor 5. You can add image in article. I will show add update article in a model. So I will move this component in a model component folder. Paste in a model components folder. When we move files, VS Code update the import statement path. We can verify this thing from app module. You can see on line number 17, add update article is imported from model components. Sometimes VS Code don't update the import statement path. Then you have to manually update this path. ngx-bootstrap provide layout for model. Model layout has three sections: header, body, and footer. We will use this layout. I will copy layout from component example. This is model layout. You can see three different sections: header, body, and footer. Copy this code. This layout is not compulsory for model. You can create your own layout, but you have to manage it by yourself. Paste that code here. Now we will modify this code. We don't need list, so I will remove this list. In this div, we will add one text box for title and editor for article body. First, we will copy confirm and decline function code from confirm model. Copy this code and paste in a add update article model. Now we will import subject and BS model ref service. In a model footer div, we have a close button. On this click event button, we will add decline function. In a decline function, we will close the model and return false in a subject. Delete BS model ref.hide function. Paste decline function. Delete this property binding. Button title close. Model header title will be dynamic because we will use this model for two purposes: add and update article. When we add article, title will be add, and when we update article, title will be update. Title error has gone and there is a typo on a close button event. ngx-bootstrap model has a close button header and we will use this decline function in a close button event. Delete bs model ref.hide and add here decline function. In a model body, I will add a form. We will take two information from user, one article title and second article body. In a form, I will add a one row, div with row class. I will add label, label title, and here I will add a column size 10. In this column, I will add text box, input type text, ID title, and name title, and class form control. This is a bootstrap class. Now we will add second row div, and first we will add label and label title body. After label, we will add column and column size 10. We will use CKEditor. Before integration of CKEditor, we will add few more things. In a footer, we will add one more button. We will use this button for add and update. On a click event, we will use confirm function. Confirm button title will be dynamic. Here we will use property binding. I will create a property. Confirm button title. I will initialize with add string. Here we will use property binding. I will change the order of these buttons. From article management page, we will show this model. From delete function, copy this code. And paste in a add function. Here, delete this code from if condition. Remove these properties from initial state. Delete confirm model component. Here we will use add update article component. Format this code. It's showing two errors, one in a import statement and second in a subscribe function. Scroll up and you can see add update article component path is not correct. We will import again from model folder. So we have fixed these two errors. Now we will test. Save the changes. Browser showing one error. We imported wrong ngx model service. Remove this import statement. Again import from ngx-bootstrap/model. Save the changes and we will test again. Refresh the page and you can see add update article model is working fine. This model will close from close button, add button and this close button. I will again open this model. Even if user click outside of this model will close. This thing is fine in a conform model, but this thing will create an issue in add update article model. Suppose you are writing an article and accidentally you click outside of the model, this model will close and you will lose your article. Now we will disable this type of close. On ngx bootstrap model page, search backdrop option. These are the backdrop option. Click on open model. If you click outside of the model, this model will close. Now click on disable backdrop, click and open model. Now if you click outside of the model, this model will not close. In config object, you can see two properties, backdrop and ignore backdrop click. Now we will disable backdrop click in article management page. In a model option, we can pass these two properties, ignore backdrop click and we will set true. And second property, backdrop true. Save the changes and we will test. Open model. If you click outside of the model, this model will not close. Now we will increase the size of this model. On this page, search optional size. This one, large model and small model. Copy this class name, model LG. This class will change the size of the model. In model option, add comma here. Property name class. In double quote, paste the class name. Save the changes. Open model. And you can see now we have a large model. Now we will integrate CKEditor 5 for article. If you want to learn how I integrated CKEditor 5 in Angular, you can watch this video, go to description and search source code link. Click on go to site. Download this code. Click on a code and download the zip. After download, open zip file. Open src folder and app folder. We will copy this folder CK custom build. We will use CKEditor 5 custom build. Right click on a shared module. Click on a reveal in a file explorer. Open shared module. In this folder, we will extract CKEditor files. Extract this folder, CK custom build. And next, extract this folder, my CKEditor. We have to install one package for CKEditor. Extract package.json file and open this file. Open with Notepad and copy this package name and delete package.json file. Go to package.json file and paste in dependency. Remove comma. Save the changes and open terminal. Control C to stop this application and run npm install. npm install will install that package. npm install will verify the packages. If any package is missing and it will install that package. Like in this case, npm install will this package. I will move CKEditor folder in a one folder. And here I will create a folder, CKEditor module. I will move these two folders in this folder. Select and drag. VS Code will show a pop-up. Press enter or click on move. Start this application by npm run start command. No error in this component. We have error in this HTML file. This is because we didn't declare this component in the app module and we didn't import the CKEditor module. Now we will import CKEditor module in app module. Open this zip file in app folder and extract app module. Extract this module anywhere. After copying one line, I will delete this file. Open with Notepad. Copy this line. Go to app module. Paste in an import array and import this module. Now delete the extracted module and go to CKEditor component. Still we have error because we have to add this component and declare array. Go to app module and in declare array, add this component and import this component. Go to CKEditor component and if you see error in a property binding, there is a two solution: restart VS Code or run again npm install command. I will run npm install command. Open terminal. Press Ctrl C to stop the running command and run npm install. You can see the error has fixed. Start this application again by npm run start command. I will close the terminal. Go to TS file of this component. I will change the selector name and I will remove my from selector and copy this selector and go to add update article component and paste here like this. Save the changes. Go to browser. Click on add new article and you can see now we have editor. I will increase the column size. I will increase the column size from 10 to 12. I will add margin to editor row empty-3 margin top 3. Save the changes and go to browser. Click on add new article and you can see it's looking better now. Now we will add reactive form to this form. Go to register component. Copy reactive form example. In this code, we are initializing reactive form with controls. Copy this code and go to add update article page. It's a good practice to initialize form in ngUnit method. So first we will refactor this code. Remove form initialization from here. And again copy this code. Go to add update article component and paste in ngUnit method. We have to create variable for form and variable name will be add update article form. Here I will declare. Now we have to inject form builder service. In this form, we will have two controls, title and body. I will remove these controls. Import validation service. We'll create a copy of this title control. Control name body. On these two controls, we have one validation which is required. Go to register form HTML file, copy this code, form group, and paste here. Here we have to assign add update article form, this form name, copy this name and paste here. Go to register component and copy this code, ng-submit event and paste here. We have to change the button type submit. If button type is not submit, then this button won't be able to trigger this ng-submit event. On ng-submit event, confirm function will run. Remove click event from this button. Go to register component and copy this code, form control name. With this property, we will register HTML controls in a reactive form. Paste here and form control name, title, and second control name, body. I will rename this property. It should be header title. Copy the property name, paste here. Now I will create two properties, public article title, type string. I will create a copy of this property, article body. I will bind these properties with controls using ng modal. This is a label for title control. I will remove property binding. Here I will use hard-coded string. I will use ng modal. This is not good practice to use ng modal in a reactive form, but we will refactor later. Ng modal, and I will assign article body. In a confirm function, I will add console.log and I will log article title and article body. Whenever user click on add button, this log will be visible in a console tab. Save the changes, open Chrome, click on add new article, open developer tool and open console tab. Remove log, add title and add body. Apply formatting. Click on add button. Add button event is not working. Go to VS Code. In HTML file, these buttons are not in a form element. Might be ng submit is not working due to this reason. I will remove ng submit event from form and add click event on a confirm button. Save the changes. Open Chrome. Click on add new article, add title, add body, apply formatting. Click on add button and you can see this is title and body from modal. Editor output has HTML. Now we will test with image, title and body and apply formatting. Add image. CKEditor will add this image and article in a base64 format. Click on open and remove the log and click on add button and you can see this is output of CKEditor. This CKEditor 5 base64 approach has some drawback. When we add more image, output size will increase. We will store this output in a database size will increase. When we show article to user, it will take more time to load. So we will not use this approach. We will use CKEditor 5 simple upload adapter to upload image. This adapter will upload image on a server and add image URL in an article, and it will not increase our database size when we save. When we display this article to user, it will take less time to load. In next video, we will implement simple upload adapter in .NET Core. Thank you.